Hello, dear students. So, let us continue today with the second part of the chapter Princess September. In the previous class, we already saw part 1, that what happened to the parrot which was gifted to Princess September by the king, and how the other siblings of Princess September, tried to convince her in order to get rid of the bird which she got, as because the bird which she got by itself was something which the other siblings did not have. So let us see what happened after that. Now when her siblings, her sisters, tried to convince her, stating that that the bird which she kept in the cage, she must release that bird, and all her sisters, they will contribute from their share, and they will try to get a different parrot for Princess September. After that, what happened? Let us see. So Princess September started worrying about her little bird. It may have been caught in snares, or the hawks could have caught it, or it would have forgotten her. That is what she was worried, as because we saw in the last class that her siblings told her that this bird will not return back to you, and if the bird really cares about you, then will definitely come, or else if the bird wanted to be free and you have forcefully kept the bird under the cage, the bird will never return back to you. That's what the sisters of Princess September told her. After that, when the bird did not return back, so she was worried. She was thinking what happened to that particular bird. Maybe the hawks could have caught it, or maybe might be the bird have got lost its way. But then she suddenly saw it sitting on her shoulder, and this little bird told Princess September that its father-in-law was giving a party, and all wanted it to stay there, and so therefore the bird stayed there. So that's what the bird stated to Princess September. After that, but from now on, Princess September took no chances. She put the bird into the cage. The bird couldn't believe that that Princess September can keep her in the cage, and it asked that what that joke was. The bird asked Princess September that, what is this? Why are you keeping me in this cage? The princess told the bird that it was not a joke. Cats were roaming in the night, and the bird would be safe in the cage. That's what the princess stated. The bird sang, but as the bird was singing, it stopped in between. After that, the next morning, the bird asked the princess to let it out of the cage. But the princess told that it was much better where the bird was kept. Now, the bird tried to slip through the bars of the cage, but it couldn't come out. Other princes came. They told Princess September that the bird would soon get used to the cage. But the bird asked to open the cage. The princess asked the bird to sing. But now the bird said that it cannot sing. It wanted to see the trees, the lake, the green, the greenery outside, the rice growing fields. So, because as the bird was kept inside the cage, so he wanted to be free now. Therefore, the bird did not sing. In fact, it also did not eat the food. Then the other princes, they told Princess September to be firm with the bird, to be strict with the bird. In fact, after that, when the other princess told to be strict with the bird, the next day, Princess September went to the cage. She cried to see the bird, as it looked dead. But actually, the bird was not dead. The princess started weeping. And then the bird said that it could not sing unless it was free. And if it could not sing, it would die. That's what the bird stated. Now, the princess had no other choice. She set the bird free. She promised that she would not put it in a cage again. The bird replied that it loved the princess, and definitely the bird would come to her. It would sing the loveliest songs for her. It would also never forget her. After that, after stating this, the bird flew away. But the princess was sad. She burst into tears. And when the other princes came to know about it, they made fun of Princess September, saying that the bird would never return. But the bird returned, and it sat on Princess September's shoulder. It ate out of her hand. It sang her the beautiful songs. The princess kept her window open day and night. The bird could come and go anytime it liked. And because of the happiness, even the princess grew very beautiful. The king married Princess September to the king of Cambodia, and she was carried all the way to the city on a white elephant. But her sisters never slept with their windows open, and they grew very ugly. The king married them to his counselors, and they were given a pond of tea and a Siamese cat to each one of them. So, see, with this we end the chapter. So, what do you learn, my dear children, from this chapter? Setting the birds, the wild animals free into the nature is what they deserve, and not to be kept into the cage. And if you really love the wild animals or the birds, they will definitely understand, even though they are animals, but they can understand the language of love. And when we spread love, we spread happiness, we are also happy within ourselves. Okay? So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Please go through the text, and in case if you have any query, you can get back to me. Thank you.